Hi guys, and welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In this video, we will talk about object-oriented programming, also called as OOPs. So far, the way we have written our code is such that we have lots of variables which hold our data and a lot of functions which operate on these variables. This results in a lot of dependency between different parts of our code. So what happens is that when you make changes in one function, you end up breaking some other function which was dependent on this function. To avoid these sorts of problems, object-oriented programming was introduced. It is not a programming language or a library. It is a way of writing code. In object-oriented programming, we combine the variables and related functions into a unit. This unit is called an object. The variables are called as object properties and the functions are called as object methods. And this combining of related data and methods is called encapsulation. Let's give it a try. Let's say we have this code. We have some variables which represent the video name, file format, duration, and owner, and some functions to get these values. So how would we rewrite it using objects? First, let's create a variable which represents the video object, and to create object we use these curly braces. Inside this object we can have key value pairs, so let's copy it, let's put it here, and instead of equal to it will be colon. Similarly for this file format, instead of this equal to, even this will be colon. Similarly for duration, and similarly for owner. So we've got all these properties inside the object. Now time to get these methods inside as well. So first is get video name. So this is an anonymous function and it returns the video file name. So you cannot simply write video name. You have to write this dot video name. So to access the properties inside functions, we use this object. We will talk about it more in the coming videos. Similarly, for this get file format, we can have another method. Again, this will be an anonymous function and this will return the file format. So to access file format inside the object, we could use this object. So this dot file format. Similarly for duration, and similarly for owner. And to access these values, we can simply do video.get video name. We can print it in the console. Let's give it a try. And as you can see, it prints the name. Similarly, you can call these other methods as well. And that's all for today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of encapsulation in OOPs. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.